May I come in, sir?
Come in, please.
Jain, sir. Sir,
Jai Hind.
may I sit?
Sit down, please. What's your name?
So my name is Lipika Sharma.
Lipika Sharma. Tell me about yourself in
Sir,
30 words.
okay. Sir, I'm hardworking, disciplined, and eager to learn. I'm from Ghaziabad, and I have completed my 12th with PCMB from Samvit Gurukulam Girls and School in Vrindavan.
Okay. So, you are going for CSBO.
Yes, sir.
What is the full form of CSBO?
Sir, civilian switchboard operator.
Okay. You know the about the meaning of PBX?
Yes, sir. Sir, PBX full form is private branch exchange, and in this we have to just in this private telephone system is there. It's connect with an organization of telephone.
Okay. What is PSTN?
PST is a public switch distribution frame.
Public Switch Distribution
Distribution
Frame.
frame.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
I think Public Switch Telephonic Network होगा.
Yes, sir. Sorry, it's my
Okay.
mistake.
What is CO?
Sir, CO is central office.
What is IVR?
Sir, IVR is an interactive voice response.
Interactive Voice Response.
Response.
IVR. This is the full form of IVR.
Yes, sir.
I asking to you what is
Sir, it is
IVR?
an voice, automatic voice service.
It is automated voice service.
Service.
Okay. So tell me about the difference between EPABX and PBX.
Sir, EPBX is an automatic and manual, and PBX is an manual. It's not automatic.
PBX is a automated and PBX
Huh. EPBX is a not.
EPABX.
EPBX
That
is a
is
automatic and
okay.
manual.
What is trunk line?
So trunk line is that we have to connect our telephone is to public telephone.
Public telephone.
Hmm.
When we want to connect our network to
Are
public
not.
telephone.
Yes, sir, sorry.
Okay. What is special dial? Sorry, speed dial. Tell me about
So
speed.
speed dial is the dial where we call in our save numbers within keywords.
What is the full form of LAN?
LAN. So local area network.
Local area network. What is the meaning of local area?
So local area where we are living currently, and that's a local.
That's the local area. Okay. What is MDF?
So MDF is a main distribution frame.
Main distribution
Frame.
frame. The work is distribute to everyone.
Distributed.
Okay. And you told us CO is
CO is a central office.
central office. Okay. What is IP?
Sir, IP is an internet protocol.
Sorry. ओके तो आप जो है CSBO के लिए जा रहे हैं,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. आपको DID की फुल फॉर्म पता है?
Sir, DID, direct in ID response dialing.
अगर आपको कोई फॉर्म नहीं पता तो आपको डायरेक्टली जो है सॉरी सर बोल देना है. आपको अपना दिमाग ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करना है, ठीक है.
Sorry,
आइए.
sir.
सो व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ CSBO?
Sir, in this we have to. Sorry, sir.
Okay, no problem. How do you transfer a call?
Sir, first of all, we have to pick up the call and then talk them politely with a greeting gesture. Then we have to give the knowledge that we are transferring your call to the needed, and then we have to, if needed, we have to take the information of the caller, and then we have to transfer the call.
Okay. So why should we hire you?
So because I am hardworking, disciplined, and eager to learn, and I am very much dedicated to my work, and I have prepared for the PBX role.
Okay. So do you have any experience?
No, sirs.
No.
No.
But you put here yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have a experience of Sense School, so in that I have a computer
Okay,
skill,
okay,
something.
okay.
So that's experience.
So you have experience, no problem. What is your education qualification?
Sir, I'm 12th passed with PCMB
PCMB. How
in
many
CBSE board.
percentage you got in PCMB?
Sir, 93%.
It's oral in 12th class. I
Yes, sir.
only asking in PCMB.
Sir, PCMB is in PCMB I have 93.6%.
93.6%. Okay. So do you have any memory and of your life?
Sir, as I am from Sainik School and I live in a hostel, so I have lots of memory of there. And
Can you share us something?
yes, sir, I met very official persons, very defense persons, like Brigadier, Lieutenant General, many of them. And I met President also, President of India.
So these are the memory.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any pictures of President of India?
Yes, sir.
Where?
Sir, in my Instagram account
In your
and
Instagram
in my
account.
school account also.
You have social media accounts.
Yes, sir.
I think you have Instagram,
Yes, sir.
Snapchat, and
No, sir.
extra things,
Only Instagram and WhatsApp.
and WhatsApp. Okay. What is the advantage and disadvantage of these both apps?
Yes, sir. Sir, advantage of
Firstly, tell me
Instagram or
about
social.
Instagram.
Okay, Instagram. So the advantages of Instagram is we are social and we get some knowledge that what is happening. And disadvantages is ki we will engage in the phone and we waste our
We
time.
are wasting our time.
Yes, sir, we are wasting our time.
And what is the benefit?
So benefit is ki we are getting the knowledge what is currently happening and the
We can
information.
get the knowledge on newspaper.
Yes, sir, but today's youth is not interested in newspaper as compared to phones. They regularly use phones and
Like we can
use
give
it.
an example of Mr. Narendra Modi.
Yes, sir.
She gave
Yes, sir.
Instagram videos.
He gave a Instagram video to connect with the students and Gen Z students actually for the
Okay.
protest.
So what is Gen Z?
So
Who
Gen
is
Z
Gen?
is something that is um, born in 1997 to 2012 children that are currently in moving for the adulthood. So they are in
They
Gen
are
Z's in
उनको
category.
आप Gen Z बोलते हैं.
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो आपके हिसाब से जो अभी ये धरना रहा है जंतर मंतर
Yes,
पर,
sir.
वो Gen Z के लिए फायदा था या नुकसान था?
सर ये फ़ायदा भी था, सर फ़ायदा ही था एक्चुअली क्योंकि जैसे हमारा पेपर लीक्स हो रहे हैं जैसे कि मैंने भी नीट दिया था एज फॉर जस्ट नॉलेज सो वो लीक हो गया उसके बाद फिर री नीट हुआ तो बहुत बच्चों को डिप्रेशन हुआ और क्या कहते हैं बहुत चीज़ें फेस करना पड़ा जैसे मैंने खुद ने बहुत चीज़ें फेस करी तो एक वो चीज़ थी कि हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम को इतना बिल्ड होना चाहिए कि वो ऐसी छोटी मतलब इतने बड़े पेपर्स को लीक ना करे तो वो एक जस्ट एक प्रोटेस्ट था इसीलिए कि नेक्स्ट टाइम ये चीज़ ना हो.
जैसे अभी हाल ही में रिजाइन दिया है
हाँ.
हमारे फॉर्मल एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर ने,
धर्मेंद्र
तो
प्रधान.
क्या ये अब सॉल्यूशन होगा, पॉजिटिव रहेगा या नेगेटिव रहने वाला
सर
है?
लेट्स सी कि ये पॉजिटिव वे में जाता है नेगेटिव वे में जाता है.
एक सिंगल आदमी के रेजिग्नेशन से कैसे हम मान सकते हैं कि वो
सर
सही है?
ही इज द एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर उसके पास सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है सारी अथॉरिटीज है कि क्या चल रहा है कैसे हो रहा है एजुकेशन के अंदर तो वो सब कुछ मैनेज करेगा तभी तो आगे एजुकेशन चलेगी.
Okay, now we are coming on point. So PBX is a
प्राइवेट ब्रांच एक्सचेंज.
private branch exchange. ठीक है. Difference of PBX and EPBX?
PBX is an manual and not automatic, and EPBX is a manual and automatic.
Okay. So when you transfer a call, what you talk to them that if I call you, then what will you say first?
Sir, first of all, I'll greet you and tell you.
How
and
you greet?
Good morning, sir. Yeah, for the timing that I am just calling you. Jai Hind, sir.
जय हिंद. चलो ठीक है, जय हिंद भी चलेगा
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि जय हिंद ही सबसे पहले इंडियन आर्मी का.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है. लिपिका, आपका जो है ओवरऑल सब कुछ ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
बस कमी थोड़ी सी आप सभी को पता है क्या हमारी रहती है क्या नहीं रहती।
Yes, sir.
होपफुली आप जो है सेलेक्ट हो जाए और उसके बाद आपसे जो है फिर मुलाकात हो।
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू
Thank you,
गो
sir.
नाइट नाउ।
Jain, sir.
जय